As soon as I step in the building, you know it's about that.
Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia-Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you guys enjoy beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, then this is the channel for you. As you guys can see from the title today, I am sharing my go-to vacation makeup look. Y'all already know it has to be glowy, okay? We gotta be shining bright like a diamond on vacation, period. This is probably like typically my daytime everyday look for vacation, and then nighttime I would just add some lipstick and some eyeshadow. But yes, I'm sharing the products that I'm using. The products that I'm using today are new products. I bought them just for my vacation, so yeah, that's why I'm using them in this video. And as you guys can see, I am at home, but by the time this video is uploaded, I'll already be on vacation. So I just wanted to show you guys the look that I'll be doing so that when you guys see the pictures posted on Instagram, you don't have to ask me how I did this look, okay? So if you guys are ready, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Everybody like rants and raves about this, so yeah.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, stick to the plan. Really it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am, fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, stick to the plan. Really it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. Find the vibe, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name and light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it cracking. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you.
You're good for me.
They gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell
Stick to the plan, stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, stick to the plan.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Pro Filter Soft Focus Foundation, and this is in the color Tan 24. Prior to me buying this, I didn't really see a lot of people that reviewed this particular color. So if you are my foundation fan, then hopefully this is helpful. I'm also, if it helps, in the Fenty Beauty, I am 385. So yeah, I'm 385 in the matte Fenty Beauty foundation. Yeah, so if that helps.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and park. You be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you come.
I'm not gonna go in with a contour stick. The contour, I'm gonna just use bronzer, which some of y'all know that that's what I've been doing lately. But I just feel like on vacation, I just don't want that much, you know, that much product on my face.
You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might overdose, so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. We'll show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display.
Some blush.
I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you come. Jump out of a window.
And the blush I use is Raisin from MAC. This one. I'm gonna just throw some gloss on top for the daytime, and then at night, depending on my outfit, I will wear, y'all know, some lipstick. But I feel like this is like my daytime look, so. And of course, gotta have highlight.
Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT.
I want to be shining bright like a diamond on vacation, okay?
Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me.
And for the daytime, I'm going to use my rose water setting spray, and then in the nighttime, I'm going to use my Urban Decay all night filter.
Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just trying to build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you.
So this is the final look. You know, it's just very simple, very highlighted, you know, still giving a This is basically my daytime look. With nighttime, all I would do is just throw on some lipstick and put on some eyeshadow, and that's what it is. But y'all know, I don't really go crazy with the makeup, but this is the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby, you're all the company I need.